Hi guys! Yan, I have already here my family picture. Yan. We're composed of five. Husband and wife, one son, two daughters. And, of course, yan, we have Saint Joseph. Yeah, patron saint of all working fathers. We are all family man, and Saint Joseph is also a family man. Yan. So he will be the one who will give us strength and courage to continue in our life here in New Zealand. And of course, he will protect our family. Yan. Saint Joseph, pray for us.